Hello everybody, good evening to all of you. It's me Abdul Salam in front of you. Hope that all are fit and fine. I'm also doing great by the grace of Almighty Creator. So dear lovely friends, today I have come here in my paddy field, actually on my paddy field because nowadays I cannot visit my paddy field today, actually evening time. That's why I have come here in my paddy field. So dear lovely friend, you can see in our paddy field quality, so very good quality. So actually before 15 days ago I stopped my paddy field watering. So right now actually I am standing here at this moment. So dear friends, actually today if I talk about my one presentation topic, it's the environment, village environment. So let's get start this topic. So dear friends, actually village and village, all villagers actually very simple lifestyle. Village people simple lifestyle. Actually all villagers and village road actually very do not actually do not noise compared to city, busy city place. And all villagers actually very simple and compared to city life, actually village life a very good quality. So dear friends, all villagers actually very simple lifestyle. And so actually I have video making purposes, and my one friend, he is also call me because before 10 minutes ago I have come here. So and my video already 2 minutes complete this video. And I am video making 3 or 4 minutes complete. After that finish my video. So actually today evening time, and my behind side on house and over the on hill is a very amazing hill. And my behind side one school, it's a LP school, and another side high school. So there is a one road, it's a PWD road, it's connected to national highway. This is the road distance, 3 kilometer distance. So dear friends, today thank you, next time, bye bye, thank you.